Hi everyone, in this video we want to find angle ODE. Solution: given CE is a diameter, CD is parallel to AE, angle ABC equal to 40 degrees, and we are told to find angle ODE, where O is the center. I want you to note that angle ABC and angle AEC both are standing on the same arc CA, and angles at the circumference standing on the same arc are equal. So I can say angle AEC equal to angle ABC, which is equal to 40 degrees. Since line AE is parallel to line CD, angle AEC is equal to angle DCE because they are alternate angle. Angle DCE equal to angle AEC, which is equal to 40 degrees. Now, I want you to note that angle DOE, which is angle at the center, and angle DCE, which is angle at the circumference, both are standing on arc DE, and angle at the center twice any angles at the circumference standing on the same arc. So mathematically, we can say angle DOE equal to 2 multiplied by angle DCE. Angle DOE equal to 2 multiplied by our DCE is 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Angle DOE equal to 80 degrees. So this angle is 80 degrees. Since O is the center of the circle, line OD and OE are radii of the circle, and they are equal to each other. This implies that triangle EOD is an isosceles triangle, and base angle of isosceles triangle are equal, which means that angle OED is equal to angle ODE. So angle ODE equal to angle OED. OED. Let us say equal to x. This x, this x, and algebraic sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So it follows that angle DOE plus angle ODE plus angle OED equal to 180 degrees. So let us substitute the values of this angle and x for both this and this. So we are going to have 80 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. 2x equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. 2x equal to 100 degrees. Divide both sides by 2 x equal to 50 degrees, which implies that angle ODE equal to 50 degrees. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.